from 1st to 3rd standard. They have just begun their formal education. Please don't consider nursery, junior and senior as formal education as of today. But in NEP, that is also going to be the most important part of education system. Let us see this one by one. Now please pay attention to the two systems that I am showing here. The existing academic structure. What is it? It is a 10+2 system. 10 साल का 1st to 10th standard का schooling, उसके बाद 2 साल, that means 11th and 12th, and then whatever professional colleges the children join. In the beginning, we have the 3 years of Anganwadi or preschool, that is nursery, junior and senior. Then the 10 years of schooling and 11th and 12th standard, which is generally called as junior college or higher secondary. This is the current education system, which has got only three layers, or we can say 3 divisions. I would appreciate if you mute your mic, children, please. It's disturbing in between. Mute your microphones, parents, please. I will not be able to continue if I hear this sound. Please mute your mic. Well, the new academic structure, Ria, Ayare, mute your microphone. Ria, Ayare, mute your microphone. Okay, so the new academic structure has 4 different categories. Now let us see this one by one. The first 3 years, please follow the mouse. The first 3 years are preschool, that is nursery, junior and senior. Okay, plus 2 years, that is the 1st and the 2nd standard. This entire blue block that you are seeing for the new NEP system is called as early school. 5 years of early school, starting from nursery to standard 2nd, will be called as early school. Parents of 1st and 2nd standard, please note this, that this is the early school. Then comes the next level. 3 years, the green box that I am pointing right now is called as preparatory school. This is for the 3 classes, that is from 3rd standard to 5th standard. Age group is from 8 to 11. Preparation for going to the higher class. The next level, follow the black box please, is again the middle school. This includes classes from 6 to 8 standard, age group 11 to 14. 11 to 14 years of age, the middle school. 6 से लेकर 8 स्टैंडर्ड तक, और उसके बाद 4 साल, right from 9th standard to 12th standard will be called as secondary school. There will be no higher secondary, there will be no senior secondary. There will be only one level, that is secondary school, starting from 9th to 12th standard. Age group of child will be between 14 to 18 years of age. So this breakup is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. This is the key or the most important feature of the new education system 2020. This is the breakup of existing academic structure and the new academic structure. Now let us see each stage one by one. The early school stage, foundation stage, age group is from 3 years to 8 years. The stage will be split into 2 parts. The preschool, or we call as pre-primary, and the grades 1 and 2. Now for the pre-primary, it will be same nursery, junior and senior, and addition to that will be grade, that is the standard 1 and 2. So all these 5 of them will be called as early stage school. This is just the stage where your child has started. The child is Actually, we have to develop an interest in studies during this time. यही टाइम है जब बच्चे को स्कूल के प्रति प्यार डेवलप होना चाहिए. बच्चे को लगना चाहिए कि स्कूल कोई डरावनी जगह नहीं है और पढ़ाई कोई डरावनी चीज नहीं है. हंसी मजाक में, खेल खेल में भी पढ़ाई हो सकती है. So what are we going to use? We are going to develop curiosity. Let the child become curious. We have to develop logical thinking and problem solving. उन्हें एक छोटा सा पीस ऑफ पेपर दे दीजिए और बता दीजिए कि उसको छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में उसको काटना है. नर्सरी के बच्चा, उसके लिए सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है कि अब इतने टुकड़े करूं कैसे मैं. अपने हाथ का इस्तेमाल करेगा, अपना दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करेगा कि छोटे छोटे टुकड़े हमें करने कैसे हैं. लॉजिकल थिंकिंग, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, आर्ट्स, क्राफ्ट एंड म्यूजिक with the help of pictures, with the help of audio visual equipment, with the help of music, things will be taught to them. What is the relationship with nature? Birds, trees, flowers, fruit, the sky, the river, all these things will be exposed. The importance of nature in our life. Colors, shapes, alphabet, numbers, all these will be taught, but in a fun-filled and playful manner. Children are alone at home. They do not do the sharing. They don't share their things. Once they come to this preschool or the early stage school, they will be taught teamwork. How to work together, how to share your toys, how to share your things with each other. Play and discovery based learning. Different by various activities, children will be taught the various subjects. There are not going to be any subjects. They are just going to be fun based activities through which we are going to tell them about alphabets, we are going to tell them counting, we are going to tell them the colors and the shapes, etc. Then ethics and self-identity. Who am I? I'm a boy, I'm a girl. Ethics, what am I supposed to do? What are the ethics that I have? I have to be polite. I'm not supposed to cry, I'm not supposed to throw tantrums. These all things will be taught. Then etiquettes, saying sorry, thank you, excuse me, to improve their behavior, develop good manners in them, help them to develop emotionally. If a child wants to express his emotions, give them a chance to express through various activities and through playful methods. So, I have never mentioned in this any kind of textbooks or notebooks or syllabus or exams, because this is now out in the new education system. It is only going to be fun-based activity and activity-based learning. So grades and exams and books and syllabus are out in the new NEP system. Then comes the next stage, the preparatory stage school. This is the stage where little introduction to various subjects is going to be done. The child will grow, brain development is completed, the child will be between 8 to 11 years of age. So brain development is almost complete. They understand what are numbers, they understand what are alphabets. So let us go to the next stage. This is for the preparatory stage. It is for formative stage. The age is 8 to 11 and the classes that will be covered under this preparatory stage is from 3rd standard to 5th standard. There will be integrated learning. There will be no separate subjects like math, science or social science. Everything together. I may teach maths with the help of language. The teacher may teach English with the help of mathematics. The teacher may teach mathematics with the help of science. So integrated learning. We are going to integrate all the various subjects and teach them again in a very, very different manner. Reading will be introduced. Writing skills will be developed here. Whatever writing, because by the time the child is 8 years old, he has a good grip on the pencil, he can write properly. So handwriting development will start taking place. Speaking, public speaking, speaking properly, using proper grammar, correct English, correct Hindi, correct Marathi will be introduced. And here comes the most important part, physical education. The child now needs अटक रही है आपके नेटवर्क में प्रॉब्लम है बेटा, नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी. So physical education will be introduced. Physical education means slight small exercise, games, outdoor games, indoor games, physical activities, importance of physical activity, then art in the form of drawing, painting, dramatics, music, dance, all these things will be introduced, and most importantly various languages will be introduced like English, Hindi and the regional language, which is the most important part of NEP is the child will be taught the regional language. अगर आप महाराष्ट्र में हैं तो मराठी सिखाई जाएगी, अगर आप गुजरात में हैं तो गुजराती सिखाई जाएगी, अगर आप बंगाल में हैं तो बांग्ला सिखाई जाएगी आपको। तो रीजनल लैंग्वेज बच्चे को आनी ही चाहिए, जिस रीजन में वो पढ़ा है बड़ा हो रहा है उस रीजन की लैंग्वेज बच्चे को आनी चाहिए। Science and maths will be introduced in the preparatory stage. Again, in a very, very playful method, these subjects will be taught. Then comes the middle stage schooling. This is a little away from whatever you are doing right now, but still I'll show you this. Middle school, abstract learning from the age of 11 to 14. The classes will be 6 to 8 standard. Whatever the child has now prepared in the preparatory stage, a more advanced study will be done. The education will be child-centered, logical thinking and problem solving will be developed. Again, art, craft and music will play a very important role in teaching various subjects. Games and sports will be introduced, hardcore games and sports, outdoor games like basketball, hockey, cricket, athletics, all these will be introduced, and experiential learning in all subjects will take place. Experiential learning, I'll once again explain. लर्निंग बाय डूइंग, जो भी आप बच्चे को सिखाना चाहते हैं वो उसे करके दिखाइए, केवल बुक खोल के उसको रटवाना नहीं है। अगर उसे बताना है कि ऑक्सीजन इज नीडेड फॉर बर्निंग, तो उसको एक्सपेरिमेंट के थ्रू ये दिखाना है। प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक्रोफोन पेरेंट्स। So learning by doing, experiential learning will be the most important part of middle school. Then again, teamwork, how to do group discussion. Yes.
मैम तुम्हारी आवाज आ रही नहीं है।
हाँ, तो आप अपना नेटवर्क चेक कीजिए। Teamwork will be taught to them. Play and discovery based learning will be done. Again, as I said, that with the help of activities, ethics and self identity will be taught, and skill based learning. Various skills will be taught to them. Most importantly, right now, you have the information technology, carpentry, you have electrical training, you have culinary training to get, if a child wants to take up cooking in future, culinary art will be taught to him. If a child wants to go into dress designing, he can take up that. So various skills will be introduced to him in the middle school level. Then the last level is the secondary stage school. These are the 4 most important years in a child's life wherein his career is going to take a turn. So this stage will comprise of 4 years of multidisciplinary studies with 2 sub-stages. The first stage will be 9th and 10th standard, and the second stage will be 11th and 12th standard. Now please note this, in future when your children go in 9th standard, your children, the 1st and 2nd standard and the 3rd standard children, there will be no rigid separation between arts and science. अभी कैसे है कि साइंस माने फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, आर्ट्स माने इंग्लिश, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, सिविक्स, इकोनॉमिक्स। जिसको आर्ट्स लेना है उसे हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, इकोनॉमिक्स में इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए। जिसको आगे जाकर इंजीनियर